low percentage of young people receiving lessons on politics concerns us, considering that 16 and 17-year-olds will be able to vote for the first time ever in next year's 2021 Senate election.
It needs to be fit for the young people of today and the young people of the future.
We are failing our generation at the moment by giving them the right to vote, but not educating them on what voting actually entails.
Bydd hyn yn greiddio'r syniad mae rhywbeth ymylol neu anarferol yw addysg Gymraeg.
Mae'r Saesneg yn iaith fwyaf frifol yn ein cymunedau, ond rhaid cynllunio'n fwriadus ar gyfer y Gymraeg.
This would reflect the views of the young people we have spoken to. We say there is not enough time in the school day to discuss issues relating to mental health.
Mae'n allweddol fod gan pobl ifanc mynediad at wybodaeth cywir a dilys yn ogystal â digon o gyfleoedd I drafod iechyd meddwl yn yr ysgol.
And we would want to see the diversity of the staff matching and meeting the diversity of the children that are attending schools.
It is less than 1% of teachers who come from Black and minority ethnic backgrounds compared to over 10% of the school-age population who are from BAME backgrounds.
We estimate that if future generations all learn CPR in schools, as many as 200 lives could be saved every year in Wales.
Our main concern as a committee was that it could lead to many inconsistencies in the learning experiences of young people across Wales.
Yn ôl y bil, mae'n berffaith bosib I ysgolion unigol dynnu'n groes a pholisi iaith yr awdurdod lleol.
We welcome the shift in autonomy to give greater powers to teachers and to schools.
Gyrff Llywodraethu Unigol newid cyfrwng iaith ysgol, ac felly mae hynny'n tanseilio cynllunio strategol ar lefel lleol a chenedlaethol.
It's going to continue to be a lottery whether young people learn life-saving skills such as CPR in secondary schools. In some schools they do, and in some schools they don't.
Some learners find it more difficult to access the curriculum. Disabled children, some children from ethnic minorities.
That needs to be balanced if young people and pupils are to have role models which adequately reflect the world.
Angen cymorth ar athrawon I allu incorporeidio'r iechyd meddwl I mewn i'r curriculum.
Teachers need to be more equipped and resourced and supported and trained to deliver the vision of this new curriculum.
Mae angen cynnwys cymal yn y bil sydd yn gwneud addysg drochi Gymraeg yn norm.
Gan ei fod yn ymharu ar y broses bresennol o drochi plant yn y Gymraeg yn y blynyddoedd cynnar